What's up, guys? So today we're gonna learn how to fix Quicktouch automatic clicker that we use for some games for automatic clicking. So everyone knows, or everyone is having an issue that when you open this app, what happens is it doesn't show the option for you to have the multiple or single clicks. So if ever you're gonna press the start button and you go to downloaded services, you're gonna allow the accessibility. You see that it's turned on. Quick touch automatic clicker is turned on. Now you can either switch that off and switch it back on. But what happens after you do that is this. It will still show the same thing. There's no option to go with the automatic clicking. So if I do it again, going back to the same page, there's still nothing happening. So here's the fix on how to deal with it. It's a fix that I myself only found out, and it's the same thing that I do over and over again whenever I use this application. So what you do is to go to your settings, go to apps. So after go to apps, go to manage applications. Let's wait for it to load up. Okay, I can sort this by usage maybe, or app name. So quick touch alphabetical, it's letter Q. It's all the way up down the bottom. Or to make things easier, I'll just scroll through it. My goodness, there's a lot of this, a lot of application. My god, PQ. There you go. Quick touch. There you have it. Quick touch. So as you can see, there's storage and different kind of stuff. What you need to be concerned about is the clear data button. So clear data at the bottom. So after you found where the clear data option is, mine is at the bottom. Tap on it, clear all data, delete all data, and that's it. Now a simple shortcut by not going through the settings is to hold up the application, app info, clear data, delete data. That's it. So after we cleared all the data, not just the cache, okay, just clear all data and open the app. Now it will show you a different option. It's like it's freshly installed. Instead of you uninstalling and installing the application again, it's better this way. So it will ask for permission, overlay permission, grant it. Oops, there you go. Accessibility. Go to downloaded services, turn it on. Oops, there, it's turned on. Okay, so now we have the option to start single target mode. Skip that. Or multi-target mode, skip that. So that way, we already fixed the issue. So just keep in mind that you have this each time you're gonna use this application, whenever it's not showing this options to use the app. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. If this helped you, please subscribe to my channel. You have a good day. Bye bye.